Welcome to Dojo. My name is Q Harper, and this is a beginner arm popping drill. So let's go ahead. Let's get popped. All right, guys. So before we get into this popping drill, there is one thing that we need to understand first. What is a pop? A pop is simply, I'm trying to make it as easy as possible. It is a quick flex and release of your muscles. That's it. A very quick flex and release. When you flex, it literally sends a certain amount of energy to your body. And when you release it, it helps it kind of shake. Is that aftermath that gives this illusion of a pop. You can't just use one. You can't just squeeze, because if you just squeeze, you shake a little bit, but not enough. So you need both. You have to quickly squeeze and then quickly release to let it vibrate. So we all see, boom, that aftermath shake. All right, a little body earthquake. So we're going to focus on just our arms today, one hand at a time. We're just going to try to get really connected and focus our energy on one hand right now. What we're going to do is I just want you to let that arm kind of sit the lip. Okay, first squeeze it like you're trying to make a muscle. Matter of fact, let's bring it up here. That'll make it actually a little bit easier to make that muscle. You're like, we've all done this. You've all been like, do I have one? So let it on. We're gonna sit here and just kind of let that hang. Don't do anything. Now, right, just squeeze it. Just squeeze like a muscle. Now let it go. Now when you do the same thing, but go a little faster. Squeeze, let it go. 5, 6, 7, 8, 2, 2. Okay. Now let's try to do that even faster. We're going to try to squeeze, let it go. 5, 6, 7, 8, kaboom. Okay. We're going to put our arm down because my arm's getting a little tired. We're going to do that same thing, but I want you to not close your hand like this. I want you to let it just still hang, still squeeze and release, but don't close your hand. Okay? 8, 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. It's just that squeeze and quick release. And you should feel this whole thing just tighten up and then immediately let go of that tightness. If you just hold on to it, you're going to hurt yourself. And you're not going to get the desired result. Okay? All right, guys. So we're going to come up here. Let's go. Same thing. Now, doing this, you may notice that, one arm may be more sensitive or you may be more connected. That's why we're doing one arm at a time. Okay, we're trying to see where we're strong, where we're weak, and we want to connect eventually to both of them because you're going to need both of them at some point. Now, here we are. Same thing. We're going to squeeze and then just release. 5, 6, 7, 8, squeeze, release. 5, 6, 7, 8, squeeze, release. Faster. 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, same thing. We're not going to close our hand. We're just going to let it stay like this, but we're going to still squeeze the muscles. Okay? Squeeze, release. 1, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, it may take a little while to get comfortable because it doesn't feel super comfortable. It feels a little awkward, okay? But over time, it will get a little bit easier. All right? So we're going to take that pop. Boom. Now I want you to extend your arm out. Don't fully reach. Just bring it out a little bit and kind of let it sit like a zombie. Now I want you to try to do that same popping motion. It's going to be a little harder to hit it from here because now your muscle is extended. The longer you stretch the muscle, the harder it's going to be to contract and make that pop effect. Okay, so you'll notice when your arms are up here, it's a lot more prominent. It'll feel really good, strong, and you'll come out here and it may not feel as good. Okay, here we are. We're going to start off back to this side. We're going to hit here, boom, and then we're going to come out here and hit, boom. All right, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Rest, switch, You're gonna get tired of doing one side. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Let it rest a little bit. Shake it out. Stretch if you need to. Okay. All right. So at this point, we're gonna go ahead. We're gonna try to do both arms at the same time. Okay. Starting up here. So let them hang. 5, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. All right, rest. Now, in between these, it will help if you breathe. Will you squeeze? Okay, when you squeeze, and we'll squeeze and release, it'll generate just a little more pressure if you breathe while you're doing this. It's a lot of multitasking. It'll get way easier the more you practice, okay? Now, I think we're gonna try to go ahead and we're doing this to music because now we're trying to add that pop to a beat, which is probably the most important part of popping, and quite frankly, my favorite part. We are going to run it one good time. I'm going to count it all the way through. I'll count you in, and I'm going to count it as we do it, okay? This is going to be a slow tempo pop, so I want you to really connect with your hits, all right? Here we go. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And rest for a little bit. Same thing for this time. Let's go one arm at a time, just so we can feel it out a little bit better. Okay, we can start here. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Switch. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright. Here we go. Alright, so now we're gonna go. We're gonna count it again. But this time I'm just gonna count you in. I'm not gonna count you through. I want you to try to dance to your beats. So I'm gonna count you in, and we're actually gonna start on a 2, not a 1. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. Alright, then rest a little bit. Muscles should be feeling good. At this point, we're gonna try to go just a little bit faster. So we're gonna be hitting a basic tempo. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hitting all those counts. All right, here we go. Let's try it. Let's go for it. Do your best. Counting you in and counting you through. Because it's in spaz, we're gonna do 2 8 counts. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, here we go. Counting you in, not counting through. We're going just as fast. 2 8 counts. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good stuff, good stuff. Word up. So you just learned how to hard pop. So proud of you. You literally just took a step in a direction. Progress further your dance. And I just want to thank you for even trusting me with your training. That's legit. Now I need you to do me a favor. I want you to practice and record yourself and post that video. Tag us at Dangerous Dojo. Peace out. Have a good day. Have a good night wherever you are. Layers.